Do you snore? Wake up tired every single morning? It could be sleep apnea, and most people never find out. Now you can check your risk at home in 2 minutes, completely free. The Sleep Apnea Risk Check app uses your phone's camera and a simple questionnaire to score your risk. Everything runs on your phone. No internet, never uses your data, won't cost you any airtime. It creates a PDF report ready to hand to your doctor at your next visit. This is a risk check, not a diagnosis, but knowing your risk is the first step. Download free. Search Sleep Apnea Risk Check by Axion AI. Check your risk tonight.